Today I'm going to tell you a bit about the engineering internship opportunities that we facilitate here in Cape Town, South Africa. If you're looking to kickstart your career in civil, mechanical, industrial, chemical or electrical engineering, our internship programs are perfect for you. As an engineering intern, you will develop your technical knowledge whilst working on your analytical, organisation, communication and problem-solving skills. Our engineering internships provide you with a perfect opportunity to gain practical work experience in a professional environment, whilst building an impressive portfolio of work samples and exploring your strengths and interests. So, if you're looking to enhance your CV with international experience and apply your classroom-taught knowledge to real-life situations, inquire with us today and start your journey to an adventure of a lifetime.